The world of tablets is about to change in a way that most people aren't expecting, and if you're currently looking at the current iPad lineup, you need to hit the pause button. We are sitting on the edge of a massive pivot for Apple's most popular device, the base model iPad. For years, the entry-level iPad has been the reliable workhorse, but the upcoming 12th generation is shaping up to be something entirely different. Rumors from deep within the supply chain have finally started to solidify, and they point to a device that finally closes the gap between budget and pro in ways that were previously unthinkable. This isn't just a minor refresh or a simple processor bump. This is a strategic move by Apple to integrate their most advanced AI suite into the hands of the everyday consumer, and the implications for your wallet and your productivity are huge. Let's talk about the heart of this machine. The talk of the town isn't just about speed. It's about the A18 and potentially even the A19 chipset. Think about what that actually means for a standard tablet. We aren't talking about marginal gains in app opening times. We're talking about the hardware requirements for Apple Intelligence. If you've been watching the industry, you know that 8 gigabytes of RAM has become the gatekeeper for true AI performance on mobile devices. Every leak, every accessory listing, and every internal code snippet suggests that this 12th gen iPad is being purpose-built to handle these heavy-duty tasks locally without breaking a sweat. This changes the entire life cycle of the device, making it relevant for years longer than any previous budget model. You aren't just buying a tablet for 2026, you're buying a future-proof hub for your digital life. But there is a catch that people aren't talking about enough, and it's one that could save or cost you hundreds of dollars depending on when you decide to pull the trigger. Apple is clearly segmenting its audience. While the internals are getting a massive flagship-grade upgrade, the external design is staying very much grounded. We are looking at the same familiar 11-inch form factor, the same reliable but non-laminated display, and the same classic Touch ID. Why would Apple keep an older display standard while upgrading the brains to a supercomputer? It's a calculated balance of price and utility. They want to keep that $349 price point as the gold standard, and by choosing exactly where to innovate, the chip, the memory, the N1 wireless connectivity, they're creating a product that offers the highest value-to-performance ratio in the history of the iPad. Think about the user experience in a year from now. You have a tablet that can handle the latest AI-powered writing tools, image generation, and complex multitasking features, all while maintaining the battery efficiency of the newer, smaller nanometer process chips. This isn't just about note-taking or watching movies anymore. With the rumored inclusion of the N1 wireless chip, you're looking at Wi-Fi 7 compatibility. That means speeds that are literally pushing the boundaries of what home networks can provide. Whether you're a student needing to offload heavy research tasks to an AI assistant or a professional wanting a lightweight device that doesn't compromise on processing power, this iPad is positioned to be the hidden gem of the entire Apple ecosystem. If you buy the current generation today, you might be missing out on the biggest jump in functional AI capability we've seen in a decade. So where does that leave you? The wait for the 12th gen is becoming a game of patience, especially since the initial expectations for a spring launch have come and gone. Apple is playing the long game here, likely timing this release to coincide with a major software push, likely iPadOS 27, and the upcoming holiday shopping surge. The strategy is clear. They want this device to be the centerpiece of their end-of-year sales. By waiting, you aren't just getting a faster processor. You're getting a device that is essentially a flagship in disguise, limited only by its display technology. For most people, that's a trade-off worth taking every single time.